This is your first milking or no?
This, we have milk, but I got too much dirt in it.
Okay.
And I got some blood in it. So we have it drinking.
And did she stand for you well?
Yeah.
It's sweet milking with kids, isn't it?
It is. They like it. They know where their food comes from, huh?
Brighton used to come and just sit on my knee, and he would just sit there, and I would just like lean around him and just milk, and he would just kind of sit there and do nothing and just watch me.
You know he's gonna have memories.
Yeah.
He's gonna remember old Pop, Dad, taking him, sitting there in the mornings, getting alone time with Dad.
Glorious moment, huh?
Yeah, it's cool.
Glad y'all could be here for this. Glad you could drink this with me later.
We're done with the chores. I'm about to leave and go home and do my chores. Justin, are you coming?
Yeah, I guess.
But I smell bacon, so we're gonna eat.
Okay, well we'll feed you.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Who works eats here?
We're making breakfast.
Are you cooking breakfast, Brighton? We're all eating a really nice meal together. Eggs, bacon, oranges, and fresh milk.
Ooh, them to me.
So glad you guys did it.
Like, 7 years left there.
Rebecca. I'm like, why is it black? I would set the phone right here.
I'm a little taller than you, but I'm also staying the high bar.
What are you saying now? You're way tall.
Yeah.
So we just got home, and Brighton. So we spent the night at the Rhodes, and then Brighton and Justice and I came back here. And he was helping me feed the pigs in the barn, and he was up in the barn. It's not a loft; it's just like a hay shelf. It's about 5 feet high, and he fell out, and he broke his wrist. So then Bree and the kids and Simeon and Alex got back. And this is his nap time. He didn't hit his head or anything. He actually landed in hay in the pig pen, but he caught himself on his arm, I believe. So his wrist was like flopping. And so I grabbed his wrist and just kind of held it stable and brought him up here. And we've just wrapped his arm up so we can get him in the car seat without wiggling around with some cardboard and stuff. And he is passed out sleeping, which is not surprising to me because he was exhausted. So we're gonna go to the hospital now, and Simeon and Alex are gonna stay with us, but the focus changed. We would probably be doing a farm tour in a little while and sitting around visiting, but we're going to the hospital. So. Okay, it's morning, and Simeon and Alex are staying with us from Swedish Homestead. I just went out with them first thing, well, after I woke up, and fed all the animals. Took a little tour real quick. If you watched yesterday's video, you know Brighton broke his arm right in the middle of our visitors coming, and we grabbed him up, splinted his arm, took him to the hospital. Simeon drove me to the hospital, and then Brianna came over a little later. And can I show them your arm really quick? He's got a really good splint on it. They actually had to sedate him because he was in so much pain. And splinted his arm, and then we'll go see an orthopedic specialist. This feels like deja vu, kind of. We'll go see a specialist really soon. There you go.
Doing okay?
He can't even lift it up by himself.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
Slept good.
Good.
Yeah, Grace was so kind of let us borrow her. But
We've had a really great visit, interrupted by a somewhat traumatic event, but we really enjoyed having Alex and Simeon out to our place, and appreciated their flexibility and helpfulness, honestly. With Brighton breaking his arm, it's kind of strange and surreal. It's just like, what in the world?
we're glad we could help.
Yeah, for sure.
We really have been looking forward to having y'all out, and we're glad we still got to visit some last night, even if we didn't sleep as much as we might have.
Yeah. It was really great. Super thankful that you took us in and we got to spend time with you all.
Yeah.
Wonderful family.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for coming out.
What are you watching?
Is it hard to put a plate up with just one hand, Brighton?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has more.
You got some milk, though, right?